Hi everybody, so I'm excited this week to be launching my Nature and Sacred Path of Healing program, designed for people who've been through deep trauma, loss, grief, burnout, or who have ADHD and suffer burnout, who are overwhelmed, neurodivergent, people with brain injuries, people dealing with loss or some difficult life changes. So if you feel really disconnected right now from everything in life, that's a sign, that's a signal, a message to your deeper self to find a way to reconnect to your inner essence and the inner essence of life. And the way to do that is through reconnecting with nature. So you will usually find yourself at a point where life may have pushed you beyond what you thought you could handle, and yet you're still here and you're wondering why you're still breathing, and you're wondering why you're putting one foot in front of another. Well, I'm here to remind you that you are so much more than this, and I'm really sorry that you've gone through what you've had to go through, and that you feel like this. But it's perfectly natural to feel like this, especially after all you've been through. And what you really need is the time and intention to heal, but find the right means to do so. And for a lot of people, including myself, I've found that talk therapy really wasn't the way forward for healing deep trauma, because it's not something really you can access or talk about. It's not something you even want to talk about. So this form of healing is fantastic for people who are looking for something without words, that allows you the quietude and abstractness of healing in your own private way, but that also addresses somatic aspects of healing trauma, which can be kept in the muscles and the somatic vagal nerve system, all of those aspects. This program helps you reconnect with nature and also addresses trauma release through somatic processes involving deep consciousness work, which is quantum hypnotherapy and present life regression, without being emotionally attached to any past folders that contain memories that you really would rather just forget and bury and move forward from. So there's definitely ways you can do that within this program, as well as focusing mostly on becoming present in your body and present in nature, and learning how to do that again. Because when we go through deep trauma, we're very rarely present. We're mostly living in the past, or we're in fight or flight mode. And it's the same with burnout as well, and ADHD, all of which I have. The way we can go forward with this is through 4-week reintroducing yourself back into nature, learning how to connect with nature through earth wisdom in week 1, the journey back into nature in week 2, turning pain into power, the journey back, returning to your body, returning to presence, being present in yourself and in nature. Because during trauma we leave our bodies and we tend to stay away for a long time and we don't know how to come back. And week 3, rebuilding your inner core and reawakening inner resilience, And week 4, the Phoenix process, is sacred integration of everything you've learned and deeper reconnection. We've also got a despacho ceremony, which is a training on how to create a sacred despacho based on sacred Peruvian shamanic traditions taught by my shaman mentor in Peru. He's taught me and many other students these secret shamanic traditions, and I'm teaching you. This really allows you to open a direct conversation with elemental beings and the magical forces of nature and the cosmos, and brings in so much more abundance